Hi, I'm ILPA Wilson. Today I want to introduce our new digital signage system, the IDS-310-AL. This font-size and fanless system could be installed in limited space and avoid dust. It features triple HDMI port for displaying independent content like the menu, traffic schedule, and it has rich I/O for connecting with various peripheral devices. This system could be your best choice in digital signage application. What a digital signage system could do: provide the real-time information. Some information is time-sensitive, like traffic schedule in train station or airport. Passengers need to check the boarding time and gate number on time. In the past, they used flyer, freebie, or broadcast to obtain the information and alarm message. But it consumed manpower, waste the source, and sometimes it was hard to deliver, especially in such a noise environment. For example, passenger was not easy to get complete information via broadcast in train station. Nowadays, passengers can easily obtain the information they need via digital signage, which could be installed on wall or ceiling of the aisle. In the real-time store, people counting and the video promotion display can be set up with camera at the entrance to count and control the number of people entering the store, and also mention the safety and the service quality of customer to avoid analysis injuries. Digital signage can simultaneously update and display the number of the entrants on the spot of real time. Enterprise can not only monitor the live image of the special entry or exit, but use this data to analyze customer activity daily, weekly, monthly, or within certain prefield of the reference for operating management. Now, let me briefly introduce our IDS-310 fanless system. It has dual skill to meet different requirements. Both of solutions support a wide range of operating temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius and adopt the same hardware design to reduce product verification time and time to market. On the right side is our ultra-thin SKU, which integrates the dual-core CPU, Intel Celeron N3350, and this TTP is up to 6 watts. This SKU has ultra-thin design and is only 38.1 in height, which could be installed in place with limited space. With VESA mounting support, it can be easily installed on the back of the monitor to act as the menu display or kiosk solution in store. On the left side is our high-end SKU, which integrates a quad-core CPU, Intel Celeron J3455, and the TTP is up to 10 watts. According to the passmark score from the CPU board's website, the single-core score of J SKU is 785, and the multi-core is up to 2153. It is the best choice of the user when they need to the more powerful and performance and fancy design to play video or promotion ad. For the wide range operating temperature purpose, we especially designed a stronger heatsink to solve the thermal issue. That's why the J SKU is 52.1 mm in height. The IDS-310 features triple independent HDMI display ports supporting up to 4K resolution, and its font-size design allowed it to install a limited space. User can play videos or pictures to promote the goods in store, or display the traffic schedule in station. It also features 2 LAN ports, 3 USB audio COM ports. About the flexible expansion, it reserved the 1 mini M.2A key slot for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, and 1 full-size PCIe mini slot for mSATA, I/O card, or 3G, 4G modules. For storage, it also supports SATA DOM as a different storage option. Dual layer support means if user need large capacity storage, this system could be support a second layer chassis containing a 2.5-inch hard disk bay for optional. Hard disk or SSD installation its modularized design provides the most flexible choice to fit the user need. Let's summarize our IDS-310 digital signage system. It's a fanless and font-size system with 3 HDMI ports supporting up to 4K resolution, 12 volts DC power input, wide range operating temperatures from -20 to 13 degrees Celsius, and it reserves a rich I/O and multiple expansion slots for add-on cards. About the storage, it supports various storage types like the mSATA, SATA DOM, and also supports an optional 2.5-inch hard disk bay. For OS support, it supports Microsoft Windows 10 and Linux based on users' application. The IDS-310 is a flexible digital signage system in font size. Users can base their requirements to choose the best configuration for their various applications. This is the end of this brief introduction of IEI new digital signage product, the IDS-310. We hope you have enjoyed these sessions. You can also follow IEI's other social media accounts to get the latest product information and company news. Don't forget to click like for this video and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates. See you soon. Bye.